Hello everyone, in this video we will study today's current affairs which is very important for our competitive examination. The Union government is considering increasing the unit cost of deep sea fishing vessels under the Park Bay scheme to make it more attractive to fisher folk. About the Parkway scheme, they launched in July 2017 under the Blue Revolution program. The scheme is financed by union and state government with beneficiary participation. It had envisaged the provision of 2,000 vessels in 3 years to the fishermen of the state and motivate them to abandon bottom trawling. It was planned to have 500 boats built in the first year of the unit cost of each vessel 80 lakh. 50% would be borne by the center, 20% by the state government and 10% by the beneficiary, and the remaining 20% would be met through institutional financing. What are the obligations to beneficiaries under the deep sea fishing plan? The deep sea fishing plan is to remove as many trawl vessels from the Park Bay as possible. Potential beneficiaries of the deep sea fishing project should possess a registered seaworthy trawl vessel of over 12 meters in length that must be scrapped or disposed of outside the Park Bay. The disposed vessels would have been physically verified. Equally important, new replacement tuna long liner boats cannot trawl or operate in the Park Bay. Beneficiaries are not allowed to sell their boats within 5 years of obtaining them. The scheme was envisioned as the remedy to the parkway fishing conflict. The center feels that deep sea fishing is the only solution to promote ecologically sustainable fishing and reduce fishing pressure around the close proximity of the international maritime boundary and the incidents of cross border fishing. In troubled water, fishermen have been complaining of low catch in the Bay of Bengal. In last few years, dwindling catch attributed to marine pollution and cyclones. Untreated effluents from pharmaceutical industries flowing into the sea has affected marine life. Boat owners need to invest 3 lakh for every voyage. Fishing is proving to be a loss-making trade for many boat owners. What is the issue with boat trawling? Bottom trawling, an ecologically destructive practice, involves trawlers dragging weighted nets along the seafloor, causes great depletion of aquatic resources. Bottom trawling captures juvenile fish, thus exhausting the ocean's resources and affecting marine conservation efforts. This practice was started by Tamil Nadu fishermen in Park Bay and actively pursued at the peak of the civil war in Sri Lanka. What is deep sea fishing plan? The solution to the bottom trawling issue lies in transition from trawling to deep sea fishing. The activity of catching fish that live in the deep parts of the sea ocean is called deep sea fishing. The boats are designed in such a way that fishermen get access to the deeper parts of the ocean and fish species. It is practiced worldwide, especially in the coastal areas with no ecological damage. The depth of water should be at least 30 meters to be considered a deep sea fishing zone. So we will study stubble burning in our next topic. Thank you.